Sekoia! Hey, it's Vince from Vaughan Reads. I need your help for baking. You bake, right?
Yes, I do. I'd be happy to help in any way I can. Are you okay? You seem a little tense.
Here's the situation. You know how everyone on social media has been baking things? Well, my wife and I, we decided it'd be a good idea if we made sourdough bread. Sounds like a fun idea, right? Anyway, we go onto Hoopla, we check out a whole bunch of ebooks that have to do with baking bread, like baking sourdough bread, baking with sourdough, better baking. There's so many titles to choose from that we just grabbed whatever.
That's great to hear. How did it go?
Well, all books say that sourdough starters are alive and you have to feed it. It has to rise. Anyway, here's the thing, ours did not. So I did some digging, I found another recipe online that would help make it rise. And I followed the instructions. I lit the candles, I chanted the words, I shook the jar counterclockwise, and it worked. But here's the thing, it keeps growing and no matter what we do, it won't stop.
Candles? Chanting? Vince, what book did you get this recipe from?
The Necro Num Num Num? Anyway, Google translated it as the Book of the Bread. The original recipe was in a different language and it was hard to figure out.
Book of the Bread? Do you mean Book of the Dead? The eldritch monster text from the famed horror writer H.P. Lovecraft? Vince, did you actually read from the Necronomicon in your kitchen?
Maybe?
Vince?
Sekoia, I'm gonna have to call you right back.
Oh boy, honey, get the chainsaw.